I was sitting at the table, looking at the floor, wondering what that sound was for. Picked up the table and what did I see? Here we go. It was a froggy looking at me. Ooh, go froggy. And he said, chirp, chirp. No, he went bark, bark. No, he went cock-a-doodle-doo. Nope. What did he sound like? 'Cause he went chirp-a-doodle-doo. He went quack-a-whack-a-whack-a-whack-a-woo. And the rain started coming down. Now what do I do? Where's Mr. Froggy? I think Mr. Froggy likes the rain. He's going to have fun. I might be running away out from the rainy sun. I like Mr. Froggy. Where are you so? I want to know what sound a froggy makes. But I guess I'll never know. Hi, Mr. Froggy. Does he go quack-a-whack-a-whack? Clock-a-clock-a-clock. Whack-whack-whack. Or ducky-ducky-duck. Moo-moo-moo. Or wee-wee-wee. I wonder what sound a froggy makes for me.